Cut through all the hype about AI and automation and work out which part of the jobs to automate, which is not the part that many people are currently automating, and make sure that it then frees up your recruiters to spend time on the job that only human beings can do. And that will give you a double whammy, because the part of the job that tech should do, tech will do better, more efficiently, more accurately. It'll free up the recruiters to engage and influence more, and so you will get, it'll be 1 and 1 make 3. That'd be the smartest thing to do.
I think doing more with less certainly means, do I have to continually add salary and headcount to achieve more in my bottom line? Right? I think that's probably what most people mean when they say do more with less.
Trying to get more out of less and doing more with less. And I think the recruitment market needs to take that on board. And I think what it means with recruitment is really having the right technology that can allow you to sweat the small things.
Actually, client businesses, and I think recruiters too, needing to think about how we use different forms of resource at different times. That actually requires better management and more skill.
I think it's basically about looking into processes that you have, that there's a massive amount of human involvement in it.
Well, I think for years recruitment's been about scaling headcount, right? And actually what we're seeing now is people focusing on how can we do more with less, in terms of, do we need to do it with people, or can we do it with technology?
Well, obviously it's the natural part about saving costs. Yeah? So saving costs and making sure you're being more efficient in how you work. So, effectively trying to make sure that you're empowering your team to have access to whatever products and services they need to let them focus on the bits of their work that they really need to do.
If you've got to do more with less, then you need to look at where your costs are, first of all. Do you know what I mean? It's not necessarily around recruitment practices, but look at where you can, I don't like using the phrase trim some fat, but do you know what I mean? You might have subscriptions, you might have software, you might have processes, you might be doing things that are not necessarily essential to what you're doing now that you can maybe cut down on.
I think we're often pressured to come up with something that almost like reinvent the wheel and do something that's like completely different and out of our kind of comfort zone and out of our remit. And when I'm talking about how recruitment businesses and recruiters can use my specialist area, which is ED&I, it's not about us becoming ED&I specialists, for example. It's about us looking at actually how can we weave what we do around ED&I and apply it to recruitment.
I think doing more with less is making the most of the resources you have. So thinking about the people in your business, how you can best utilise them. Thinking about the processes that you're using, where you can make changes to those processes which benefit the business and utilise the resources you do have in the most productive way.